Alright, today I will be teaching you guys how to make a Hive Live thumbnail. Now this is really easy. All you need to do is go to Blockbench. You just type that in, click Blockbench, and it's the first option with an actual bench. Okay, now you don't need to download the official app. You can just open the web app. Now we have the web app open. You click Minecraft skin. Okay guys, Minecraft skin. Create new model. And you can make the character wide or slim. Slim is like the character's like slimmer, like the player, or this one's the character's a little bit wider than the slimmer one. We're gonna choose slim for this one. And if you want to do, and you have to do texture file, yeah. And once you got the texture file, you're basically gonna get your skin. I'm gonna get this one. I'm gonna get your skin, and if you select pose, that's basically gonna if you get into the start rendering the character, or get into position ready, it just automatically just already has a position for you. So maybe if you want it, you should probably turn this off and turn on layered texture. Definitely want to turn that on. Okay, so you got everything here. You want to click confirm, and you got your character. Now right now it looks a bit weird, so all you need to do to stop this is to just click this toggle skin layer, because toggle means I guess remove. I'm not very sure, but this is the skin layer. The thing the hair popping out and stuff, this is called layers. So you want to turn that on if you want. Now's the actual fun part. Now we have shading. You can we don't, yeah, never mind. Now what you're going to want to do is that you want to start to position your character. You can make it up, you can make it down, you can make it into a running animation like this, for example, like this. No, you can make a little running pose, any pose you want. So this is already pretty good for a Hive Live thumbnail, for example. Now you got your character position, right? You can do this. This is up and down. This is rotating, and I guess I don't know how to explain. This is moving it, and this is rotating it. Yeah. Now you can do now here's a cool trick. If you move your your arms down by one, it kind of looks like actual shoulders, you know? Because I don't think shoulders look like that in real life. Maybe it does, but this just looks a little bit better. So, and you maybe want to move your back a little bit like this, fix up the posture, move the legs a little bit back, you know, find the right character position, you know. Now once you've got your character position something like this, you can now you've got it, you click file. No, not file. You right click on the screen and you click screenshot, or you click these three lines. You click the three lines, screenshot model, take the screenshot, and you've got your character. What was that? Okay, now you got your character. We're gonna go straight into Photo P. Now this is the more advanced way. I can't. Photo P just makes it a little bit better. Now you're in Photo P. You click new project, YouTube thumbnail, and you just you could click file, open and place, and you bring your character in. But the white background might cover it up, so you're basically gonna drag this up, and your character is right there. Now if you let's say if you want to make this character bigger, for example, what you're going to do is you click edit, free transform, and you can just transform however you want. You can rotate it, you can make it bigger, all you want. And I think this size is pretty good, so we're just gonna leave that. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, we're gonna leave that. Alright, now we've got our character. That's looking pretty good. I like to go to a Discord server. This Discord server has a lot of presets you can use, preset backgrounds. So we're gonna go to sparkskye server. Shout out sparkskye for making this server and stuff, and link will be in the description, that Discord server link. Now you're gonna go to resources, And there's like a lot of things you can choose from: hive resources, skins, video assets, models, all the shebang. Maybe you're gonna go to backgrounds, and ooh, this one looks really nice. You can maybe get this one, get this background, and just file, open in place, and just drop that background in and move this down. So whatever is at the top will show up at the top. So you always want the background to be at the last. Okay, now we got the character position on. Now this doesn't really match the background, so we'll come to that later. Now you might be thinking, how about the Hive Live? How about the Hive Live logo? Well, we're gonna go straight. Okay, you're gonna go to stock elements, and you're gonna scroll up, and you're just gonna look for a Hive Live thumbnail you like. Like, this is a style. We could go for this one, but we're gonna do like the kind of a default one. Now we're gonna get I'm thinking about this one, or we're probably just gonna do the classic, this one. Yeah, now what you're gonna do, you clicked on this, right? And if you guys don't have Discord, then you're kind of just cooked. I'm just saying, you're kind of just cooked. If you guys don't have Discord, then you're probably, where you can download this Hive Live from, you can just take like a picture of the Hive Live like stream and thumbnail and just remove it. Now you have your Hive Live like thing over here. What you want to do is, now for the final tips, you're gonna maybe add like a shadow on the bottom to your character. So you're gonna get the shape, and you're gonna get ellipse. Yeah, ellipse. And now you want to make a little shadow at the bottom of your character like that. And now you're gonna lower the opacity to like 50, and bam, there goes your Hive Live thumbnail. That is how you make a Hive Live thumbnail, guys.